Now come to the next type of question related to interest on capital. Suppose interest on capital on 1st April 2019 is 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs of the partner A and B, and they have decided to make their capital on 31st October 2019 3 lakh 40 and 3 lakhs. They have decided that their capital will be this and this on 31st October 2019. It means on 31st October 2019 he will introduce 40,000 as additional capital, then his capital will be 3 lakh 40, and he will withdraw 1 lakh from this capital, then his capital will be this. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. You have to find out the interest on capital. So question is on 1st April opening capital has given, and capital on 31st October 2019 will be this, and rate of interest is 10%. You have to find out the interest on capital. So if I see this question, the capital of A is 3 lakhs, and thereafter on 31st October the capital is 3 lakh 40. It means A has introduced 40,000 as additional capital on this date. When I see the case of B's opening capital is 3 lakhs and his capital become 3 lakhs. It means he has to withdraw 1 lakh capital from the firm. Now calculation of interest on A's capital. A's capital on 1st April 2019 is 3 lakhs. Rate of interest, I am assuming that it is rate of interest is 12%. Rate of interest is 12%. Rate of interest is 12%. So 3 lakhs is the opening capital on 1st April. So 3 lakhs into 12 by 100. This capital 3 lakhs is up to 31st October 2019. So April, May, June, July, August, September and October, up to 31st October. So October will be taken into account, up to October, 7 months. So 7 upon 12, it is 21,000. Thereafter his capital is 3 lakh 40 on this date. So 3 lakh 40 into 12 by 100 up to 31st March, it is 5 months. So it is 38,000. 38,000. Its capital is 38,000 interest on capital. Similarly, we will calculate the interest on B's capital. B's opening capital is 4 lakhs. 12 by 100 into this 4 lakh is up to 31st October 2019 for 7 months. So interest is 28,000, and thereafter his capital become 3 lakhs. So these 3 lakhs at the rate of 10% for 5 months from 31st October 2019 to 31st March 2020. 5 months. November, December, January, February and March. So it is 43,000. It is 43,000 interest on capital. Here it means he has withdrawn, he has given additional capital 40, and here 1 lakh minus he has withdrawn the capital. So in this way we will calculate the interest on A's capital and interest on B's capital. Opening capital is this capital is up to this date, means up to 7 months, 12% at the 7 months. This capital is 3 lakh 40. This is up to 31st March, 5 months. So total interest is this. Same with the interest on B's capital.